Notice your engine misfiring or your gas mileage dropping suddenly while cruising down the highway. You could be dealing with a cylinder deactivation problem. If your vehicle gives you the OBD2 trouble code P3457, it points to an open circuit in the cylinder number 8 deactivation or intake valve control circuit. Many modern V8 engines use a cylinder deactivation system to shut down 4 of the 8 cylinders during light driving, like cruising on the interstate, to save fuel. The Engine Control Module, or EECM, uses special solenoids to stop the intake valves from opening on specific cylinders. This code means there is an electrical issue, specifically an open circuit, related to the solenoid for cylinder number 8. When this happens, you will likely experience a noticeable engine misfire, poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and your service engine soon or check engine light will illuminate. Sometimes the computer will even turn off the fuel injector for that cylinder to prevent damage, which makes the misfire feel even worse. The most common causes include a defective cylinder deactivation solenoid, low engine oil level or oil pressure, restricted oil passages, damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or a bad computer. To tackle this, your first step should always be checking your engine oil. The system relies heavily on clean oil and proper pressure to work. If your oil is low or very dirty, a simple oil and filter change might fix the issue. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors around the intake manifold for cylinder 8. Look for bare wires, burn spots, or loose pins. If the visual check passes, you would use a multimeter to check for power, ground, and proper resistance in the solenoid, which should not be 0 ohms if it is working right. Because engine misfires can cause serious permanent damage to internal engine parts and your catalytic converter, you should not ignore this code. If topping off your oil and checking the connections does not solve the problem, or if you do not have the specific wiring diagrams and multimeters required to test the reference voltage and continuity, you need to get your car to a qualified mechanic right away. Taking care of it promptly will protect your engine and restore your fuel economy.